by this time, yung mga nag-OFW po noong 80s, 90s, ganyan, umuuwi na po yan. Tapos na yung kontrata o kaya, kumbaga, end of contract na nila doon, they would want to go home. Reintegration is not just about finding them another suitable job or employment in the Philippines. Isa sa mga tinutulak po namin, yung natawag natin na bahagi ng kabuhayan reintegration strand, yung entrepreneurship. Last year, we had a very strong collaboration. We started a very strong collaboration with the Department of Trade and Industry in providing training and bringing to the fore yung ating mga OFW MSMEs. Marami-rami na po ito, ma'am. In fact, we have a program that we're closely coordinating with the Department of Trade and Industry, yung tinatawag nating Buy Local by OFWs. It's a program that maps OFW-owned businesses. Kasi hindi man po natin nasimulan yung pagtatayo nila ng negosyo, equally important yung masalo sila midstream. And this is where the Buy Local by OFWs program of DMW DTI comes in. Kasi we are able to provide that refresh, that restart that's very much needed by our OFW entrepreneurs.